5,056 hectares of prime Merino breeding land on freehold titles. Wolhalla is situated just 12 kilometres south of Hawker. The Flinders Ranges Way bitumen road runs through the property, offering excellent access to all the southern services. Nestled in the rolling Wilson Valley between the Blackjack and Yappala ranges, Wolhalla has outstanding improvements: an extensive stone character-built 4-bedroom homestead with an extension added in 2000. It has mains power, fresh water supply, and beautifully presented landscaped surrounds with recently built shedding and workshop in the same enclosure. Wolhalla has excellent livestock facilities with a large steel-framed shearing shed with steel 3-way drafting yards and loading facilities. Jayco self-contained quarters adjacent to the shed, all connected to the mains power rainwater supply with bore water backup. The property also has cattle facilities with steel drafting and loading yards with central race and cooler paddock. The property is split into 12 paddocks with permanent waters and has an excellent stock carrying history, good stands of bullock bush, black oak, acacia Victoria and native pine shelter belts with good vegetation stands of blue bush and saltbush and winter burr clover, bindi, barley grass, button grass and herbage. Summer speargrass and bindi in season. Wolhalla will be offered on walk-in, walk-out basis with approximately 925 breeding ewes, 360 ewe weaners, plus 18 rams and a small working plant. Wolhalla has been on Greenfield's Merino bloodlines for a long period, classing young ewes at 50% with stud master and achieving a long-term lambing percentage of 100%. Carrying average is 1,700 breeders plus replacements, being offered for sale by auction. For a detailed information memorandum, contact Tim Woolley on 0427 086 020.